I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Gonna tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. You back it up for me, a real home run. You in my dreams out in the weekend sun. Throw back that 40, Hennessy pouring right, fantasy take me there. Let down that wild pin. I could always tell that you were ride or die. Give you all the world, I spoil you 'cause you're mine. Living proof, powerless, I'll give you my Rolex. I could never tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. Gonna tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me. Look at me, I'll take you every photo. Little black dust down in your shoulders. Had a bit too much, I think you know though. Call you a bad girl, you move like a dancer. I could always tell that you were ride or die. Give you all the world, I spoil you 'cause you're mine. Living proof, powerless, I'll give you my Rolex. I could never tell you, baby, I could never tell you no. I got you, girl, and you got me. Diamond rings for you, 1, 2, 3. I'll tell you why. 'Cause I got you, girl, and you got me.
Trunks with the sauce.
Life moves so fast, my foot's on the gas, moving into a different direction. I hope it surpassed everything God planned for me. Christ is everything to me. Everyone he was resurrected. How come there's a world wanna see me lose when I talk about him? When I talk about him, they don't want him to win. They want people who believe in him, lost, broken, and confused with sin. Might as well pray for this dark world of gray. I can't stand others becoming astray. I saw friends switching on me like someone giving up on faith. This could be my destiny, my fate. I wanna be great. Had to go through hard times to give my mind straight. These runarounds on my way to pass the time, express it. Go ahead, let me address it. Oh yeah, I'm a wordsmith, no need for a counterfeit. I'm coming for your eyelids so you can see the vision. You better listen before you end up in prison. My friends tell me these days I've been losing my way, losing my faith. Look me in the face because I'm staying the same, overcoming this pain. I'm learning to go through the change. Even if fame comes my way, I'll never change the way I feel and think, the person I am. Yeah, the world will one day understand. I pray for this dark world of gray. Every night I spit on the mic for Jesus Christ. He's the one that died for my sins. Give me the talent for music, glad I could be part of this biz. This is how real it gets. Really gets building a legacy. I want others to remember me inside your mind, creating memories, becoming a die-hard lyricist, greatest of all time MC. Can I mimic the image of a legendary artist? I'm going down my own lane, reaching the farthest. On this track I'm spitting all hard, super duper killer flows. One day I'ma blow. I'm not Eminem, J. Cole, or Logic on this beat. I go my own way, going ballistic. Every minute spent doing this in the basement. I like an assassin with compassion for rapping, slaving away to minimum wage. Yeah, in this game I'm an outcast. I laugh behind the scenes. Yeah, you know what it means. I'm following my dreams. Yeah, John 3:16. Yeah, rapping the verse, John 3:16. If the world hates you, keep them out of hating me first. My friends tell me these days I've been losing my way, losing my faith. Look me in the face because I'm staying the same, overcoming this pain. I'm learning to go through the change. Even if fame comes my way, I'll never change the way I feel and think, the person I am. Yeah, the world will one day understand. I pray for this dark world of gray. Every night I spit on the mic for Jesus Christ. He's the one that died for my sins. Give me the talent for music, glad I could be part of this biz. This is how real it gets. I'm taking anxiety medication for feeling sad and anxious. My stress leaves me restless. I'm afraid of going through changes. Me switching in different phases as I get out of my ages. Placing a lot of weight on my shoulders. Wishing I had more time on my hands. Hey Marshall, why you depressed? Why did your therapist prescribe you meds? I'm the voice inside your head. A result of hater comments on the internet. I guess I regret the things I said. The moments where I feel like I should be dead. Insecurity driven to see the beat I be ripping. Things that drift away, end up stagnant and lifeless. Mask on, mask off through the virus. 2020 crisis, bipolar, manic, autistic. Oh yeah, I did it. The world was sleeping on me while I was putting it on, blowing up. I was perfecting every song and album. I had things to prove, I can't lose. My friends tell me these days I've been losing my way, losing my faith. Look me in the face because I'm staying the same, overcoming this pain. I'm learning to go through the change. Even if fame comes my way, I'll never change the way I feel and think, the person I am. Yeah, the world will one day understand. I pray for this dark world of gray. Every night I spit on the mic for Jesus Christ. He's the one that died for my sins. Give me the talent for music, glad I could be part of this biz. This is how real it gets.
This is the last time I listen to